What's up, YouTube? So yeah, this shit just happened. Wah, wah, wah. Total lost. 06 Kawasaki 650R Ninja. See the fork? Fork is here, and the tires all the way on the other side. That's crazy. See the bike, the back. So yeah, that's what happened. Stay tuned for this project. Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? So today, this is the new project. 2006 Kawasaki Ninja 650R or EX Kawasaki Ninja. So purchase this one from the auction. Diameter on there. Sold on I bought a pass for $250. Yes, $250. All the damages here. You're gonna need new forks. So for now, first step we're gonna have to. I have to put like 2 blocks so this thing can hang. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the exhaust. So to do that, we're gonna need, I believe it's what, a 13mm? Let's see. It is 12mm. But don't worry, there's gonna be 12mm. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those 4 nuts, 4mm. And then this one is gonna come out when it's loose. See the big band right there? For the header. So let's go ahead and do that. So remove it first. I'll be right back. So now I can go ahead, lift it, and put like a 2x4 or something on right under the engine and the little tranny, so I can lift it and then I can take off the forks. So let me go ahead, call some help so I can pick them up. Alright, so somehow I have it in blocks already. Next step, we're gonna take this bracket off. It's the one that holds the cluster. Is the one that holds the mirrors. So all it holds right here is the little brackets right there. It's 12mm. So the bolts in there. There's one. There's another one. So there's two 12mm. Of course, you're gonna need the ratchet on the other side because it's 12 and 12. So we can remove the whole piece off. So let me go ahead and try to do it. So now that we have it out, we have some little clips here, the plastic clips, we're gonna try to get it out, or you just rip it out. ¿Cómo lo ves? Se me hace que las cabezas. To remove the plug for the clogster, you remove the little plastic boot, and it has a little tab right there. See a little tab in there? You just push it in and then pry it out, and it's gonna come out. Just like that. See? The whole piece is off now. Just set her somewhere over there. I'm not gonna be using those mirrors, only the little dash, a little cluster. You see the little harness in here? So we're doing good. So now we can go ahead and remove, inspect to see if there's any crack on the lower. No cracks, no bends. You have a little harness here. You have the little horn. So now we can go ahead and let's remove this one so we can get free. We have more space to work in here. So now let's find out what size is this so we can get it loose and get it tree down so we can get the fork off. Let me go get the tools. I'll be right back. So somehow I found the Allen key. To be honest, I don't even know what size it is. It's a CRV6, and of course made in Taiwan. So I'm guessing it's like a 6mm or something. But I just don't want to go in here. So there's that broken piece off already. So now let's go ahead and move the other side. Same way, we're going to loosen those, and then we're going to try to get it out. I have to remove from the bottom, I think, so I can get the caliper off and everything. But since I'm doing a getaway, I'm going to go ahead and remove those off, and then try to see if it's going to come off. If not, I'll take the top tree off. I also have to remove the handlebars because they're all bent, as you can see that one right there. So let me go ahead and loosen those bolts, and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, now it's up. So let me go ahead and remove the handlebars. We're gonna use another, I believe it's a 10mm. Alright, now the handlebar is off. And we check down the fork. Let's see, I'll be back. So now to get the top tree off, we have to lose this one off. But you see how big that is? Let me go on. I hope we have one of those. So I'll be right back. So to get that top off, I don't have the socket, but look what I found. This one right here is a 12 point, but guess what? After the 12 point, you see the shape? That's the exact size that I need. So I got lucky. So I put the 12 all the way in, and then see, this one goes all the way in. So I will grab the impact and get them loose. When you don't have the right tools, try to find something that works. It doesn't work. See? See the shape, the same shape as here. Beautiful. So now I'm gonna bring the hammer so I can hammer this one up so I can release it. There you go. Nice and easy. Let's put it on the side or on top. Beautiful. So now we can go ahead on. But once we can release this one up with all the bearings, make sure all the bearings are good, and then get it up. But this one, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lift it a little bit more so it can be higher. Put more blocks underneath, and then I'm gonna take the wheel down. Let me pause it. Alright, so I got the thing done. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to remove the forks. So I don't wanna remove the calipers or the hose because it's gonna start leaking all the fluid. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the brackets with the 212 lugs and bolts right there, and then we're gonna push it back. I'm gonna put the bolts back in because we don't want to lose this. I'm gonna put it back in there. And since this one has dual calipers, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Same way it happened right here. So same bolts go back in. Just like that. Get the calipers off. I'm gonna throw it back in on top. Or you know what? I'm just gonna leave it in the middle. Right here. And then put it on the side. There'll be a bunk anyway. So now at this point, I can either lift it and this one's gonna come down, or bolt everything from here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call some of the friends out there inside the shop so it can help me lifting it, and then I'm gonna slide that one right out. So I'm gonna have to pass it right here because my battery about to die. But as you can see, everything's really loose. All thing holding is this because I want it in the lower tree. So lifting it, and that's gonna come out. I'll be right back. Alright, so I need no help. Let's put a 2x4 there, the little stand, and we have this one out. So now I can get ready to disassemble this piece right here and then wait for the new part. New forks, new handlebar, and I don't know if the rim or the wheel is bent. There's a huge dent right here, but it's holding air, so I don't know. That's the only dent I can see. Other than that, everything's clean. But again, this thing's holding air, so I have to look more into it. But yeah, things are already out. Time to get new forks. I'm gonna have to level the bike and then get it down over there, and then should be good to go. Also, the radiator, I think I busted right there. I'm gonna add some water, and then I'm sure it's gonna leak. So yeah, see the little break I have going on. There's 650 from the auction, 650R. So let me remove the battery. I'm gonna charge it, and then. Yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, the battery location on the Kawasaki Ninja. From 2006 to 2008, Kawasaki Ninja EX650R or 650R. You're gonna have to remove the zit. To remove the zit, you're gonna insert the key right here in the little lock, twist it, pull the zit up, and then pull it back, and then the battery's gonna be right under here. I took mine off because I'm gonna have to charge it. But yeah, that's the battery location on this one. That's how it looks right now. Took the fork, everything off. Waiting for new forks, handlebar, and a little radiator, and then good to go. Stay tuned.